When you're in 11th and 12th grade at Middleton High School, you don't even have to spend it in a classroom. MHS offers CAPS, Center for Advanced Professional Studies. CAPS is your ticket to something different while you're here at MHS. Joining CAPS gets you out of the classroom and into the community to gain real-world work experience. For the 2025-2026 school year, MHS will be offering 4 different strands for CAPS courses. You'll be able to sign up for Business Solutions, Digital Media and Marketing, Science Research and Design, and Introduction into Education and Teaching.
Middleton Caps, we were tasked by Ashley Stork, the CEO and founder of Marketing Media, to work with Big Brothers Big Sisters of Dane County as a private marketing firm project to actually audit their social media and website.
We're at Fetch, and today we presented to a couple of the lead people at the Fetch for the Fetch Rewards app, and we talked about potential brand partners, and we just kind of went through research and what restaurants or brands could be good for the Fetch app. And,
a big advantage of this program is the discovery of your strengths and interests when it comes to your career. You don't have to wait until college or joining the workforce to start your self-discovery journey. Start it now.
Who should take CAPS? Anyone who's interested in science. If you have a passion and you want to learn more about it, you should take it. We do research from beginning to end. You're kind of in control of your own learning. So you have to do all the research yourself, set up a procedure, run through it. But we also are with community partners too, so you have mentors.
This class was definitely something that I'll use for the rest of my career. Molecular biology is something that I really want to go into. So being able to have these research skills and make these connections with business partners around the Cross Plains and Middleton was really helpful for knowing what I want to do with the rest of my life.
CAPS is for all students, and I know that may sound cliche, but because of the ways in which this program allows students to create their own journey, create their own learning, figure out what's going to work for them and what they want to work on, it really is a place where all students can find success.
Very fun. It might seem a little scary at first when you have to present, but you'll get the hang of it because I myself was a bad presenter when I started. Now I'm starting to see improvements, so they always look at that growth mindset.
They gained a lot of great communication skills, team building skills, and also how to work with a professional client, understanding what makes sense for this organization and the larger Madison area, and also how to present their findings in a meaningful manner and actually have a local impact. So highly recommend that you look more into the CAPS program so that you can do fun projects like this, get out of the classroom, and actually make real world change.
The premise of CAPS is connecting with our community partners and offering real-world learning opportunities for our student associates. This year we are really proud of their work, and overall the professionalism that they are learning and the professional studies is hopefully something that they can use in life after high school.
Put CAPS on your radar when selecting classes for the upcoming school year. While you're here at Middleton High School, try something that makes you stand out from the crowd.